India guards some of the world's most demanding and strategically complex frontiers. Terrain this vast is impossible to watch from the ground alone. To protect a domain this vast, India must see farther, understand earlier, and act together. This is where AWACS changes everything. Airborne Early Warning and Control System, a flying command center. The eyes in the skies. It detects and tracks aircraft, drones and ships over long distances, fuses intelligence into real-time situational awareness and shares it across air, sea and ground, so forces can respond as one. Only 5 nations possess comparable next-generation airborne warning and control technology. India now joins this select global group. In 2009, India gained long-range airborne warning capability through the imported Falcon AWACS system. In 2017, DRDO's Center for Airborne Systems delivered Netra, India's first indigenously developed airborne early warning and control system, and a defining milestone in the nation's pursuit of self-reliance. Now, Adani Defence and Aerospace, in strategic partnership with DRDO, take the next leap together. Introducing AEW&C Mark II, India's most advanced airborne surveillance and early warning system for the Indian Air Force. Once deployed on the Airbus A321, it will stay on mission longer, extend radar coverage from 240 to 300 degrees, and offer enhanced AI-enabled processing across 12 operator workstations. More endurance, wider surveillance, and greater mission capacity. 6 modified Airbus A321 aircraft will be developed, manufactured and integrated in India for the Indian Air Force. The program will provide integrated logistics, maintenance, repair, overhaul and technical support over a life cycle extending up to 30 years. Adani Defence and Aerospace becomes the first private Indian company entrusted with developing and managing a strategic airborne surveillance platform of this scale. AEW&C Mark II marks India's transition from operating imported systems to building and sustaining sovereign airborne early warning and control capability at scale, strengthening defense preparedness and advancing Make in India, Maintain in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Adani Defence and Aerospace, securing India's skies.